سليلو وهبت ليه روحي العليلة أنه ماله جنة.
Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for staying with me. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make one amazing humra. If you're a student, this recipe is very helpful to you because you're going to get a lot of profits when you use this recipe to make your own humra. And one thing I know for sure is that students love amazing humra, and if you recreate this recipe, you are going to sell it to students around you, and you will love the outcome. So let's get into the video. This is what we will be recreating today. The first thing you'll be needing is sandal powder, then your laughing tar, which is called the Ruwan Humra or Eau de Cologne. If you don't have Eau de Cologne, you can use Eau de Parfum. But make sure the Eau de Parfum is not very strong. Then you'll be needing some wood chips. This is not compulsory. If you do not have wood chips, you can skip that. Then you'll be needing this important ingredient, which is onicha powder. You can process your onicha powder, or you can get from the market. Then this is onicha paste mixed with eau de cologne, then musk crystals, and again our sandal powder. You'll also be needing some oil perfumes, but the first thing you'll be doing when making this umrah is the first thing you do when we want to make this umrah is to fetch some sandal powder and add to your eau de cologne. So you can mix this in a bowl or small or plate or anything before you can add it to the cologne. But I want this recipe to be very simple, like you don't need to look for a lot of paraphernalias before you make this umrah. You can just pour it into the eau de cologne, shake, and you're done. So you're going to add like 5 spoonful of sandal powder into the eau de cologne. So I'm using the root eau de cologne. This eau de cologne smells so good. It smells very woody. You can use any type of eau de cologne in the market. We have Scenario, we have Repto, we have Oud Medicos, we have Rouge, we have Nur Iman. There are a lot of beauty colognes in the market. Just find the one you love, and then you can add it. You can use it to make your humra. So after adding the sandal powder, I noticed that it was getting stuck in the funnel. Then I went ahead and I added my musk crystals. So you want to grind your musk crystals into very fine powder so that it will mix well, because if you do not grind it into fine powder, it will take a very long time for it to melt and give you the scent that you're looking for. But when you turn it into powder, it will melt completely and it will smell amazing immediately you're done making this homara. Then you're going to add your wood chips. So you can use marmul wood chips or you can use black wood chips. If you have halut bakur, you can add it, or halut turaramota, you can add it. Just make sure that the wood or the sticks, the chips you're adding smells nice and woody, because this will help us and give our humra a very nice woody touch with a very long lasting, like rich spicy scent. So after adding the wood chips, we'll be adding the most important ingredients here, which is the onicha powder. Onicha is known as fariche in Hausa, frami in Kanuri, and dufur or dufra in Arabic. So I have another onicha, which is the onicha paste. We call it yamulke. You can get this in the market, and the only thing is that you just make sure that the yamulke smells nice, because some yamulke will make your humra smell very bad, and you don't want that, trust me. So yamulke is a humra paste. You can use it as it is in the paste form, but if you do not want it to dry, or you don't want the scent from yamulke to evaporate, you can add you the cologne. That way it will make your yamulke smell strong and nice for a very long time. Then we'll be adding sandaros oil. Sandaros oil is very important in this recipe because this is like a traditional humra recipe. So I'm adding the sandaros. You can get the surati sandaros, or you can get the ones that come in big kegs or big canisters. You can get from any amount you want, depending on where you're getting it. So after adding my sandaros, I'll be adding my black wood, black wood almas oil, and I added 25 mils of my black wood, 12 mils of my sandalwood, and I'm adding this mukallat wood. This is a very woody perfume. I love the scent. This is not the kind of perfume you can wear out. It's an oil that you can use in making your own recipes. Then I added sandal maracas, 20 ml of sandal maracas. Then I'll be adding my wood cashmere surati. I love to add surati oil when I'm done making the humra because it is the most uh concentrated oil when used when making humra. So surati gives this top rich note, like it smells so nice, very, and it makes your humra smell like very good for a very long time. It is very long lasting. That is, so adding surati oil in your humra will make your humra last for 72 hours. So it is very important to add surati oil when making humra, taramuta, and the like. So after adding all those oils, I mixed everything up, like shaking the bottle very well. You want everything to mix, and then you can try this. If you're okay with the consistency of the humra, you can leave the humra like that. But I was not okay with the consistency. The humra felt very light on my skin, almost as if like this the humra has been sieved, and I didn't sieve it, so I added more sandal powder to make it a little bit thick. And again, the sandal powder will help balance the woody scent. I do not want the woody scent to be very overpowering. I want this humra to smell sweet and at the same time smell strong. That is the vibe I was going for when creating this humra, and that is the most simplest recipe you can find on this channel on how to make black or humra, dufor humra. So I added the humra in this bottle because I wanted to store it in a very dark place, and you know humra are best stored in a bottle and in a dark place away from sunlight. And this bottle is so cute. So this is the other bottle I'll be selling this humra in, and this costs 18,000 naira. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video with your loved ones. See you guys in my next one. Salaam alaikum. Bye.